Hi guys, what's up? Jai Shri Ram, Jai Mataji. કેમ છો બધા મજામાં? So it's your boy Umang and you are watching the Grey Night. So once again, welcome back to my channel, Grey Night. So here is the part 2 of day 2 at New York International Auto Show. So in this vlog, you gonna enjoy some crazy modified cars, like out of the world, that you have never seen till date. So just wait, let me just go downstairs real quick. Let's go. In this vlog, it will gonna be really fun. And yes, I'm at the downstairs. Just look at this. The all classic BMW 3 Series E90. Look at all cars. Like these all cars are modified. This is lower E90. One more. These all are BMWs. Woohoo! Actually मैं तो ये सब कल देख के गया था, पर मैंने व्लॉग शूट नहीं किया था, इसलिए आज फिर से आ गया हूँ. See, isn't this look out of the world? Just look at the modifications. Oh my goodness. See, turbo, and it's all titanium. Like crazy. Let me just go around this booth. Yeah. Real quick. This is a Winter Mercedes Benz. One more BMW M3 E90. Subaru. Oh, bhai. See? Mad. One more Subaru. Oh, it's a Honda. Toyota GR63. Fiat, no, it's a Abarth. Ford, one more E90, and yeah, look, M4. Yeah? Beautiful M4. Actually, oh wait, guys. Le GTR R34. Just look at this. Isn't this really crazy? Like इस पूरे बेसमेंट में अराउंड 500 प्लस मॉडिफाइड कार्स है. 500 प्लस. See, look at this Porsche 911. So beautiful. Too good. Too good. So what I can do is ब्लॉग तो शूट कर ही रहा हूँ, बाद में इसकी एक सेपरेट रील शूट करूँगा. So do follow me on Instagram to see that reel. And wait, GTR R35. There was R34 and is R35. Look at the ground clearance. Oh my god. How much slower it is. There is also Hot Wheels models here too. Yeah. Isn't this look so mad? Porsche. One for Porsche. Shibu Fiber. One more Porsche. 911. Porsche. See this car. Like હું તો ગાંડો થઈ ગયો. Oh my beautiful. Oh, this is the BMW M3 F90. Yeah, look at. And here are some alloys, so you can customize your car as per your own choice. Yeah, and here is my favorite car. I want this so badly. GT3. The Pookie I want to be in my life. The only Pookie girl that I want. And this look so cute, aggressive, amazing, phenomenal. Whatever I can say, whatever you can say. Porsche means perfection. It looks perfect from each and every angle. My goodness. Here is a Honda Civic Type R modified. Some trucks. Let's go. Guys, you wanna see Rolls Royce? Okay. Just ask me whatever you want to see. I will show you that thing for definitely. See, Rolls Royce. Here, मेरे सामने Rolls Royce. Wow. White and blue finished color. Premium. And the black, fully black Audi R8. Audi R8. एक्चुअली कल ये गाड़ी यहाँ पे नहीं थी, ये दोनों आज ही आई है. This is Audi R8. Looks so mad. And here is the. Hi brother, how are you? Yep.
Yeah, go viral, bro.
Yeah, I'm good. And here is the Aston Martin AMB 001. It's let me just show you from this side. It's 57th of 100. This bike has turbo engine. It has a 900cc engine, and yes guys, it is not road legal. It is only track focused bike. So that's it. And yeah, we have Lamborghini Revuelto and Lamborghini McLaren too. We have both of this car here, so we can. Hi brother, how are you?
How are you?
Hey, I'm doing good. Hi brother, how are you? Yeah, we have these two both cars, so I'm going to sit inside the car. So let me just. So guys, now I'm going to sit inside the McLaren 765 LT. Let me just go inside. From here, I can open the door. Yeah, and you know, it is quite difficult to go inside and come outside of the car. So let me just go inside. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, my God. Let me just. Wow. Feels like I'm in heaven. Yeah. Yes. All Alcantara finished, so that riders can't distract from driving this car. So it's absolute bonkers. Yeah. एक्चुअली मैं कल भी बैठा था इस कार में, कल सिर्फ फोटो खिंचवाई थी, आज मैं ब्लॉग भी शूट कर रहा हूँ. लुक एट दिस McLaren 765 LTU ब्यूटी. चुम्मेश्वरी. like Chummeswari McLaren, and it's a bucket seat. And guys, कैमरा जस्टिस नहीं कर सकता कि ये कितनी बड़ी कार है. Like not in the height, like it's too broad and too huge. Yeah. अंदर अंदर हो गया ना. चलो, let's go. So from here, I just have to pull it like this. Yeah, butterfly. Oh my god. Thanks to official payroll. Oh guys, do follow this account on Instagram, official payroll. Thanks to the owner, जो कि आपने यहाँ पे ये कार रखी है, carbon fiber. Just look at the tail lamps and look at the quad exhaust. And wait, let me just open the another door for you so that I can show you properly. See, and from this angle it looks really stunning, real phenomenal car. Look, too beautiful. I don't have words for this. Everywhere is carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber. So let's just shut the door. And now it's time to go inside this Lamborghini Revuelto. So let's go inside. So from here I can open the door easily. Yes, isn't this easy? Actually, McLaren की कंपैरिजन में Lamborghini में जाना इजी है. ये इतना भी इजी नहीं है. Lamborghini. कोई बैठा है आज तक Lamborghini में? मैं बैठा हूँ. Spaceship, kind of cockpit, airplane cockpit view. Sitting inside the Lamborghini. सभी टेंशन, सब कुछ सिर दर्द बिरदा सब कुछ अलार्म फलार्म देखूं બધું सब मैं भूल जाता हूँ. देखा मेरे वर्ड्स भी हो रहा है, कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा है, इसलिए वर्ड्स को मत पकड़ो, भावनाओं को पकड़ो. See the engine. This both car screams a lot. दहाड़ती है, पूरा दहाड़ती है, like खा जाएगी भाई. So this is the car. So let me just go outside. Find me. Oh, here. From here I can open the door and go outside. Yeah, and it's a hybrid Revuelto which produce 1000 horsepower in combined. See the naturally aspirated V12. इसीलिए मैंने बोला ये पूरा दहाड़ दी है, खा जाएगी, पूरा सबको खा जाएगी. See this car. है ना फ्रेम एकदम मस्त. Isn't this looks beautiful? So guys, once again, let me just take photos for Instagram, you know, content creator. सब कुछ करना पड़ता है, दो Instagram पे अकाउंट हैंडल करने पड़ते हैं, YouTube के हैंडल करना पड़ता है, सब कुछ मैनेज करना पड़ता है. So let me just shoot and click couple of photos. Bye bye. Alright guys, so I have done with my vlogs and couple of photos at coolest booth. So thanks to the owner of this booth and the car, official payroll, heads off to them. And now let me just explore this. Some vintage. Yeah, full of vintage. Yeah, So many vintage cars are here. Oh, BMW M3 modified. Yeah, look at the M3, fully carbon finished and tuned. It is tuned. Yeah, it also has twin turbo. One is here and one is there. Twin turbo GTR, R35, then Subaru. Just look at the modifications. One more M3. It's like both are same, first and this is last one. Really super duper awesome. Super duper awesome. Yeah, it is. Couple of scooters, vintage Honda cars. Yeah. See. R30. Yeah, no, my bad. It's not GTR. Just look at this bike. Mad. It is mad. Then let us go. Look at this car. See, like how much and what kind of level of modifications they have done on the car. Look, one more Audi R8. Phenomenal. Yeah, it is really phenomenal. The golden car. सोने की कार. Not actual. बस ऐसे में बोल रहा हूँ. Mustang GT. Then we have a couple of cars of Toyota. Yeah. Right from here. How low it is. Toyota Supra with turbo. Super duper Supra. One more Supra. That's quite lower from as compared to that. Porsche 911. One more Porsche 911. It's a GT3. Let me just check. Yeah, it's a GT3. See, it's GT3. One more Supra. One more Supra. One more Supra. Like how much Supra is there? It's an old Supra. 1, 2, 3. 3 are old Supra. Supra. मैं भी हो गया Supra. सबका Supra सा. कलर्स भी बहुत बढ़िया है. लाल, नीला, हरा, पीला, सभी टाइप के कलर है. छोटा. Look at this car. Trunio, Nissan, one more GTR R34, one more GTR R33, one more GTR R34, R35 that I showed you before. Mazda. So let me just go to the part of Lexus. Yeah, here, Lexus. Carbon finished hood, lowered. Look at the alloys of this car. टेढ़े है, परमेड़े है. इससे कुछ नहीं होता है. Like it's too good. गाड़ी एकदम स्मूथ रहती है. We have one more car here. यहाँ पे कल ईवी टेस्ट ड्राइव चल रहा था। आई डोंट नो आज क्यों नहीं है। मैं कल आया था, मैंने डॉज की टेस्ट ड्राइव ली और मुझे डॉज का किचन भी दिया। दूर आज नहीं है, आज सोचा कि सभी कार्स की टेस्ट ड्राइव ले लूँ, पर आज है ही नहीं। आई डोंट नो व्हाई। इट्स मित्सुबिशी, वन मोर मित्सुबिशी, Honda Civic Type-R. Some old modified cars of police. Then look at this Subaru. Carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber finished, wide body. No, my bad, it's not a Subaru, it's a Infiniti. Yeah, look at this. These two. Infiniti, wide body with carbon fiber. One more Mazda. Just look at the modifications. कलर्स भी ऐसे चूज़ किए हैं ना भाई साहब, बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है। स्लिपी, आई थिंक ये कोई गर्ल की कार होगी। Look at the car. This car, the wrap of this car modification. Yeah, Subaru is here. Carbon finished hood. Chosha GR. Lexus, one more Lexus. And here are some cars and bikes of NYPD police. So yeah, सभी cars दिखा दी ना मैंने आपको। Yes. I have showed you all the cars. So now let me just make a reel. Yay! So guys, let's wrap up. That's all for today. It's day 2. अभी 5 बज गए हैं। No, I guess yeah, it's 5:30. तो अभी क्लोज कर रहे हैं सब और कल से पब्लिक के लिए ओपन होगा। So that's all for today. Had a great fun here in the both day. So very grateful to God and thanks to New York International Auto Show for giving me this opportunity to be here as a content creator. And I hope you guys like this vlog. So if you guys like this, so you know the drill, right? So please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. See last time देख लो ये सब beauties classic. Yep. So और क्या, अभी ब्लॉग एंड कर रहा हूँ। सो विल कम अप विथ अनदर ब्लॉग विथ सम डिफरेंट कंटेंट। सो टिल देन बाय बाय, टेक केयर, जय श्री राम, जय माता जी, बाय।